So I'm actually gonna be working 2 poles today. I'm gonna throw this old pole out here, and then I'm gonna jig with a little jiggy thing. And Ol Bama got one. I'll take you a bigger. Keep it on. I think what y'all think. Ol Bama got him one. And once you get one, you can get the rest of them. So what I did with this boy right here, I started off dragging it on the ground, then I started lifting it up and down, and I was able to grab him. Oh yeah, and I still got my bait. I love it when I still got my bait. Yeah. So we're gonna put his ass in this goddamn pot. Got him. Bama got him. Another one. So they responding to me dragging it on the bottom. The one that's been still, I only got one hit off the still one. That was earlier. Calm down, boy. It's over with. There you go. Let's make this nice and easy, boy. Nice and easy. I gotta stick the hook real good on him. Alright, we're gonna throw his ass in the pot. Join your buddy. He jumped out that motherfucker. We're gonna throw this pole back in the water. Bro, look, just when I was about to move. But I caught some big ones yesterday in the back. We're still finna move. Okay, y'all, Bama at this other spot, and I'm gonna throw this bobber in there. I haven't fished with a bobber in a minute. So Bama gonna try this out for a second. Then I'm gonna go with the tried and true method, hit that bottom. Bama want to be there, about right there. Here we go. We're doing some fishing now. Doing some fishing now. They grabbing my bait. They out there. I gotta be smarter than them. Gotta be a little bit smart. Bama gotta be a little bit more smarter than some bitch. Bama gotta be a little bit more smarter. Okay, so you're snatching my bait off. So let me bait it a different way. Do it like this. You ain't gonna be able to suck that son of a bitch out so easy. This time. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, some bitches. Bama gonna catch him a fish. Bama gonna catch a fish. Go Bama. Give them yum yes. We're gonna catch some supper, y'all. What we gonna do now? We don't do nothing now. We're gonna catch us some salmon. See if I can get in the spot, y'all. There we go. Watch this. Guaranteed. What I told you. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. He a small one. He a real small one, y'all. We'll be throwing her. But like I said, guaranteed. We got him. He a small one. Huh? You smaller than us? Oh shit, you son of a bitch. He a little, I don't know. He might get in the pot now. He done fin me. Yeah, you gotta go in that pot now, little motherfucker. Oh shit, missed him. Let me get back out here in the water. I caught it, didn't I? I said guaranteed. I caught one. He wasn't a monster, but I caught one. Uh-oh. Got him. Got him. Woo. Told you, ladies and gentlemen. Wasn't gonna take Bama too long. Just had to figure it out. Oh shit. Yeah, wasn't gonna take Bama too long. Just had to figure it out. You know. Rest. Got him. Got him. Another massive brim by Bama Blu. Oh my God, I'm wearing their ass out. Now I gotta let y'all see this old boy right here. Oh boy. Uh-oh, another one. Bama done got another one, y'all. Another massive bull. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bama done felt them, y'all. Bama felt them. Oh, Bama almost had him. Dang, he took my bait. Dang, that was a good rig too. Dang it. He took some of that son of a bitch. We're gonna get there. Got him. We're gonna get him. Got him. Got him, y'all. Another one. He ain't that big. We got him. Another one. We gonna put his ass in that damn bucket. It's getting dark. We'll lose the draw. We'll lose the draw after this worm right here is gone. We're gone. Whoa. That was quick. As soon as that motherfucker hit the water, the damn, this is not what we wanted. This is a real small guy. Over there. All right, I thought they were trying to trick Ol Bama. Got him. I don't think he'll a baby one. Another one though. Yeah, they're gonna let you live, buddy. Now earlier today I was catching like this in my other spot. I was keeping them, but it's some monsters in here. Uh-oh. Did we get one? Yeah, we did. God, they all in this motherfucker. Smaller the word, the smaller the fish. Alright, so I know I keep saying one more, but as long as we got light, Bama cat, fuck that. They're gonna land one more big brim. I know they in here. I'm gonna put this big old bait on here. And I hope this one. Them little fellas there. Them little ones there, they'll hit that bait too. I need to find a nice big one. Oh, got him. Motherfucker, you keep small motherfuckers keep hitting up. Oh, y'all bitches. What is this? This is a weird fish. Whoa, got another one, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna keep him. We're gonna keep him, y'all. Yeah. But it's over with. It's over with. Bama is landing fish at an all-time rate, guys. Old school technique. Just popping it. Oh. I caught another, he let it go though. Let's go get him, guys. Bama gonna get him. Just give it a second, let it sink. Just give it some attention. Start popping it like that. Got him. Got him. Another panfish. Bama done caught so much he done forgot, y'all. It might have cooled down. Got him. That was all I was about to say about the cool down. Caught another one of those funny looking fish. What kind of fish are these? But I got another one, y'all. I think he's small though. Might be a little, one of them little, I got a little size on him. Gonna keep him. Another one. I ain't even saying nothing no more. I'm just catching these motherfuckers.